I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Oh my. I'm in love. Oh, I'm so in love. Oh, I have to stop right here. Con, where are you going?
We can actually just walk around here. It's very cool.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. I'm in love. See, I always jump at love and I give myself away too easily, they say sometimes, right? So we're going to keep going. And because if Ton can do it, I can do it. And she says that there's a path around over there. So you'll have to watch the next video to see. Oh, there's the bridge. Okay. I see the bridge. Ton, you good with me keeping going? Okay. Oh, you're going on a walk with me today. You're going on a walk with me today. Oh, where do my feet take me when I sing my water song? I sing for the waters and I sing for the trees, sing for the birds and I sing for the bees. Oh, Mother Mystery, tune me to your frequency. Oh, Mother Mystery, show me where to put my feet. I sing for the rivers and I sing for the springs, sing for the lakes, I sing for the seas. Oh, Mother Mystery, tune me to your frequency. Oh, Mother Mystery, take us where we need to be. Woohoo! Ha! Yeehaw, bandana. We're gonna go back to this waterfall and keep walking. That was amazing. I want to do that all over the place.
Over the water.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the love bomb. Yes, yes. Here we go. There we go.
The old and the newish colours.
Yep. All mixed. Oh, I heard birds. So we had the pheasant.
That was a...
Pheasant's about confidence.
tui.
We have a tui. Because we were singing for the birds. Yep. They know I sing for them, so I think they bring me sometimes. I feel like a feather.
And tui is about alignment.
Nice.
Yeah.
Another confidence,
And
alignment,
freedom.
creativity. Ton's up here gathering her love bomb materials. I got my hands too full. But that's why it really helps when we do this together. To get her together. Yes. So I'm going to end this one with our tui singing. We'll listen just for a minute. Imagine if the whole world were at peace. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine there's the people living for today. Who makes me a dreamer? But I'm not the only one, and neither are you. And one day you will join us, and the world will live as one. We're going to just do the short version. Loving you.